Timing is very important. Now you'll notice I'm dressed, well, like it's warm, because it is. It's in the middle 40s right now. Travel today. If you could travel today, you're good. We can literally leave it there. Tuesday, it starts to get dicey during the day. So I'll try to simplify this for you. There's a snowstorm expected in central and northern Minnesota. The worst times of travel, especially north of the metro, is from 12 p.m. Tuesday to 12 p.m. Wednesday. I would leave earlier Tuesday if you're going north. Now, if you're leaving south of the metro, you could still leave it in the afternoon Tuesday, but you got to be driving south. Wind gusts also going to be a problem here, even in the metro, with winds over 40 miles per hour. So Wednesday morning could be slick just with the wind and a little light snow and freezing roads, kind of a refreeze. Now here's the watch. You'll notice it's not for the metro. That doesn't mean we won't get an advisory. I bet you we'll get an advisory. Probably going to see the pink, the warning here, advisory from St. Cloud to the Twin Cities. Winter storm watch. This is all the way from late Monday through Wednesday evening. But again, I really try to simplify it for you there. Snow is going to be from 3 to 9. 3 on the outskirts of it, 9 in the bullseye. But the bullseye and models have been shifting a little. Here's your day today. You get 5 seconds of a forecast Monday. Cloudy, 50, warm, dry on the roads. Good to go. Here's microcast. The rain, I can't rule out a drizzle, but the best chance for rain is going to be in Wisconsin this evening. But if you're driving through 9 p.m., you're good. Here comes that snow band. It's actually a second low, which does concern me. That first one, the low, could mess with the second low a little bit. Well, the second one brings the snow. So we'll see if there's a late shift in the forecast. But the timing we know is probably good here. So this is 8 a.m. Notice that it's going to be mainly rain here in St. Cloud, Twin Cities, or drizzle. You could drive potentially at 8. I would wake up tomorrow early. If you're planning on leaving at 9 a.m., you got to shift it earlier. Now you can see Moorhead's Alexandria, once this thing starts, it's going to be kind of a whiteout condition. That's already 8 a.m. By the time you get to the afternoon, it's too late. You can see that heavy swath of snow from Alexandria, Brainerd, Duluth. St. Cloud's right on the edge of this. It looks like the metro will have mainly rain Tuesday and then transition to snow at around 11 p.m. Tuesday night, so late Tuesday into Wednesday. Now, we're not going to wrap around snow. You don't accumulate the most, but you can still pull out 1 to 3. St. Cloud, you're going to be right on the edge. I've got you right around 3 inches right now in St. Cloud, but the bullseye right now is Grand Rapids, Bemidji, Brainerd, and Alexandria. I've got 4 to 8 plus there. I don't expect like a 12, but you could see a 9. That's definitely possible in Duluth. I'm overlapping our GFS model and our Euro model. They are in decent agreement. This is the model I put in for 2 inches, over 80% chance of that. So you can see even North Metro, you get to St. Cloud, there's that chance for 2 inches, but South Metro starting to look unlikely to actually pick up a couple of inches of snow. So there's your weather impact alert. Tuesday, second half of the day, crashing temperatures to 27 Wednesday. That's my concern. And then Thanksgiving travel should be okay, but it's going to be cold, 29. Black Friday at 28. So if you're going, I don't know if anybody shops like old school, but it'll be cold. Bundle up. The next snow chance could miss us in Iowa Friday to Saturday. CC, quiet now.